Hi, Ishani Muttineni and I, Karthik and Sashi, will be showing a small presentation on Smart Waste Management System.
Traditionally, the way we have been managing waste is a two-step process where we start with the segregation of the waste at its origin and then the garbage collection and disposal of the same. For segregating the waste, the dustbins are used. So we have two types of dustbins, one for dry waste and other one for wet waste. The garbage man or the waste picker collect this dry and wet waste from our doorstep and then puts it into a larger bin, which is kept outside our societies or in common areas by the Mahanagar Palikas. The garbage trucks collect this waste and then transport it to the dumping yards. 94% of the waste is collected and dumped on the sanitary landfills or dumping yards. Only 5% of this waste is actually compost, and remaining 1% we don't even know what is the proper destination of this portion of waste.
If you look around currently, our country is facing a major challenge in waste collection and disposal system. This is severely impacting environment and public health. There is mindless littering on roads and rivers, which has increased the levels of hazardous waste and pollution of different kinds, such as soil and air pollution. So, how do we see the future of waste management? The future lies in automation, which is called smart waste disposal.
The first step in the smart waste management system will be to ensure that the people put the waste in right bins and then the bins can check the waste and segregate it. A smart bin will have multiple compartments to segregate the waste like wet waste, metal, plastic, glass, paper, etc. The smart bins will include a smart system that will be positioned inside the dustbin, which will include sensors, the image recognition system, and even the artificial intelligence so that the waste can be recognized and segregated for the further processing. The smart bins will have many features. It will include the smart sensors for waste recognition, a communication module so that alerts and notifications can be sent in case of any issues, an enclosed design to prevent pests from gaining access to the waste, and lastly, a solar panel to ensure sustainable energy is used for the processing of the waste in the bins. The waste put in these bins would pass through sensor system to separate the waste which is not relevant, and notifications are sent in case required.
Smart bins will segregate waste automatically using sensors. Different kinds of sensor will be used to segregate materials through moisture checks and image processing technology.
The segregated waste which is placed inside the ready to process bins will be pushed through the pipes which will be connected with them. These pipes will take this waste for further processing. The waste which can be recycled, for example glass, paper, etc., will be pushed into their respective recycling centers. The wet waste can be sent to a biogas plant. This will be used to generate biogas and also convert waste into usable manure.
With future smart recycling, there can be 100% potential of stopping the recyclable items to enter into the landfills.